Hello, welcome. Let's try to solve another Leetcode problem. 3334. Find the maximum factor score of array. So we are giving an integer array nums. So the factor score of an array is defined as the product of the LCM and GCD of the elements of that array. So the LCM gonna be the longest LCM gonna be the largest common multiples, and GCD gonna be the greatest common divisors. So let's just use an example. So for example, 2 and 4. So the GCD of 2 and 4 equal to 2, and LCM of 2 and 4 gonna be 4, because the largest common multiples is gonna be 4, and the greatest common divisors are gonna be 2, because 2 divided by 2 gonna be 0. 2 modulo 2 gonna be 0, 4 modulo 2 gonna be 0, and for this 4 modulo 2 gonna be 0, 4 modulo 4 gonna be 0. So we need to understand what is the meaning. So basically we're gonna return the maximum factor score of nums after removing at most one element from it. So according to this description, definitely we can use brute force to solve the problem. Because we can remove at most one element from it, so it means we can remove any element from it. Yeah. So from the beginning, we will not remove anything, and then we're gonna remove one element from it, and we're gonna check the maximum. Yeah. So let's just check if length of the nums equal to 1. We can directly return nums 0 times nums 0, because according to the definition, if there's a single number, it's gonna be the number itself. So the LCM and GCD is gonna be itself. So it's gonna be nums 0 times nums 0. If it is empty, so the final result is gonna be 0. Yeah. Now let's just prepare a result. If we didn't remove anything, so in Python we can use the reduce of GCD with nums times reduce of GCD LCM. Yeah, because in Python we can directly calculate GCD and LCM with nums. Now we're gonna check all the numbers. So for any number inside a set of nums, so we're gonna have a copy of num. So copy of nums of gonna equal to nums, so we're gonna make a copy, and so this copy num gonna remove this number n. So after remove this number, we can check the final result. So it's gonna be the maximum of the result gonna be, yeah, let's just copy this one. It's gonna be the reduce, and it's gonna be the copy of nums. So finally, we're gonna return the final result. So the time complexity, it is dependent on the length of the nums. So here is O(n), and here is another O(n). So basically, the time complexity is gonna be O(n) squared. Now let me just run it. As you can see, it works. Now let me submit it, because yeah, as you can see, it works, and it's pretty fast, because this n is just 100, so n squared is just 10,000, so this is okay. So this is why we can use brute force to solve the problem. Thank you for watching. See you next time.